So, hello guys, today I want to analyze the Bitcoin into my YouTube channel for first time. And so if you like, please watch this video till the end. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So as you guys can see, we have the weekly high here and the weekly low. So we didn't even come close. Actually, we didn't even come close to this weekly high. So when we break this one here above this shadow, we can say that, okay, we just break the daily, actually weekly high, and now we need to see that price come to which level, and after that we need the substructure and to keep the way into the move. So right now, as you guys can see, we just have this supply zone that price just tapped into this supply zone for 2 times, and this supply zone was successful to push the price down, as you guys can see. And the thing here, we have a gap. As you guys can see, this is the huge gap. It's a weekly gap. So let's check. Yeah, the 8% of this price is gap. So the market is a gap. So this is a huge gap. We have the dimensions, as you guys can see, and also the gap here. So the thing here, I guess, in the weekly time, uh, we need to have a long view because we are watching the weekly. So maybe price, come and hit, tap into this supply zone for third time, and after that, maybe we see that price just want to go down, or we can say that's we just take the lots of orders here in the supply zone, and maybe price want to come up, ignore the supply zone for the third time, and after that we see the break of the structure here. So right now, let's go in a daily time frame. I guess the daily time frame would be much better. As you guys can see, sorry, as you guys can see, we just break the structure here, and this is the low for us. Okay, we break the structure here. This is the low in the daily time frame. This is the high in the daily time frame too, as you guys can see. So we have the low, we have the high. Right now we are between this huge range. Actually, we just had a gap that we fill this gap. We have a huge supply zone here, and I really like this supply zone. You guys can go in a short trade with entry in a 4-hour time frame or in 1 hour time frame if price reach into this level. And also I can say that we have this dimension here, as you guys can see. And as you guys can see also, we just had this one here that price just tapped into this dimension for 2 times, actually 3 times here. So sorry. So we just tap into this one 3 times. So next time, if again price come down, I can say maybe we don't have any order here, so maybe price ignore this dimension, and we're going to fill the gap, maybe the 50% of this huge gap, or maybe we just tap into this hidden daily dimension. So I just want to show you the gap and hidden daily dimension and the daily dimension here. So right now, price is really close to this supply zone. So we need to be patient. Okay, if we're working on a daily time frame, we need to be patient to price come up to this level, and after that we can go in a short trade with the entry. I want to say that, as you guys can see, we have this liquidity here too. Let me just fix this one. Sorry. I have the equal high liquidity here, as you guys can see. So we have a very huge liquidity here. So maybe if price come up to this level of price, I don't know. Maybe price reject this supply zone. Maybe price don't respect this one to go and sweep this liquidity, and after that, maybe price come down. So you need to be really careful about this supply zone, because this equal high liquidity that we have here. And sorry, these are the things, and let's go in a 4-hour time frame. Let me just clean these things. So let's go in a 4-hour time frame. But just watch this analysis that I had. Actually, I'm not working on Bitcoin for a long time. Actually, 100 days, I guess. I'm not sure. But I just want to analyze Bitcoin again too. So as you guys can see, I have this supply zone here. Let me just mark it with red rectangle. Yeah, as you guys can see, we had this supply zone, the gap here. Actually, the price didn't respect this supply zone for the first time also because the gap. Okay, every time, guys, listen to me. Every time that you recognize that we have a, for example, supply zone or a demand zone, it doesn't matter actually. If you analyze that we have a, for example, liquidity, the gap, the gap and liquidity above that, supply zone or demand zone, you guys need to be really careful about that's, for example, supply or demand zone, because maybe price, reject this supply zone, don't respect to this one, and go to fill the gap or sweep the liquidity, and after that go down. Okay, so uh, always be careful about the things. These are really important for you guys, and that's the reason price come to this level. Okay, we feel the gap here, so after that price come down. So let me just clean this one here. So as you guys can see, I want to tell you that we have the gap here, we have a dimension here. So maybe this dimension can be a chance for us for going in a long, trade. We also have this liquidity. You can mark this liquidity like this. Actually, I like to like this liquidity here. The equal low liquidity we have here. We have the gap. We have the dimension. So right now, I want to tell you guys 100% if price come down, okay, um, you guys can go into a long trade here, okay? Because in the way that the price is coming down, price sweep the liquidity, also fill the gap, and now we have the really good dimension to push the price up for us. So you guys can go for a long trade 100%. We also have the liquidity here. You guys can see this liquidity here, okay? Um, so we have two equal low liquidity, the gap. Actually, this is a concept for a trade. I don't know, maybe our team traders know this one. When we have the equal low liquidity, we have the gap, and we have the dimension. And this dimension is really good, okay? The reason that I telling you that you guys can go for a long trade here is, this dimension created after we just sweep this liquidity, okay? This is the first reason. The second reason is this dimension that was the reason that we pushed the price up, okay? As you guys can see, we just push the price up, okay? We also have the gap above this dimension, the liquidity. These are can be a good reason that you guys can trust in to this dimension. So you guys can go for a long here, and I just give you the opinion for a short trade in the daily time frame too. So be careful about the things. Maybe I just, I don't work on bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. I like forex, so maybe I will go long on this one because this is really good. This is actually really good, and I guess this supply zone here is the supply zone that I show you in a, I don't know, daily time frame. I'm not sure, but I gave you the opinion for a short trade in the daily time frame. I give the opinion for a long trade in a for a time frame, and actually I like this one. I really like this one. So we don't have any special thing in a 1 hour time frame, but before I just stop recording, I just want to go in the daily time frame and check this supply zone again here. So yeah, this can be a good reason that you guys can go also for a short here too. So once you can go for a short and you can go for a long in a 4 hour time frame too. I just clear the tools that I just had here, so you can see the equal low liquidity and this dimension that we just had. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel.